Well, thank you very much. Mr. Vice Chancellor, was at the University of Michigan this very same time you were there, so we probably walked past each other at least. Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon. It's wonderful to be here in Quetta today for the launch of the Entrepowered Women Can Do initiative. This project is important to me for very many reasons, in particular because of its focus on economic prosperity, women's financial empowerment and entrepreneurship, all keys to Pakistan's prosperity. And I note, unfortunately, I do see a lot of women entrepreneurs here. It's too bad all of us men are speaking, but hopefully what we're creating is the next generation of women who will be up here on the stage introducing the next program in the future. The U.S. Strongly believes that empowering women is a strategic investment in the future. By working together on projects like Entrepowered Women Can Do, we can advance women's equality in business, but more important, will help unlock Balochistan's vast potential. And in fact, Pakistan's vast potential. And I often say it, and will say it again, women are the greatest underutilized resource that Pakistan has. This year, as we celebrate the 75th anniversary of U.S.-Pakistan relations, we do reaffirm our support for the advancement of Pakistani women, which is essential to Pakistan's peace and prosperity. As we launch Entrepower today, we're looking for applications from aspiring women entrepreneurs across Balochistan. And I hope you will all share this opportunity with your peers and encourage the women in your families, among your friends, and in your workplaces to apply for these grants. It's a privilege, and it's always an exciting opportunity to be involved with people who are getting new businesses off the ground. In most economies, small businesses, small and medium-sized businesses, are the businesses that produce new jobs. And as some of our speakers have pointed out, in Pakistan, the future for more government jobs is not good. It's a saturated market, and Pakistan needs fewer government jobs. It needs more private sector jobs. And entrepreneurs like you are the ones who will create those jobs. So there's no more important endeavor right now for Pakistan's future, and I wish all of you the best of luck, and thank you for allowing us to support you in any way.